This today is specifically for ecom people, so if you're not into ecom, you probably want to skip out because it's probably going to be really boring to you. But if you're in ecom, this is basically how I find winning formulas for winning ads. And that's basically it. I'm not going to go in a rant now. So basically what I do, right now I'm looking for image ads. More specifically, I'm looking for bottom of funnel ads. So bottom of funnel ads are things like discounts, things like promotions, limited time stuff, promotions. Essentially this right here, promotion and discount. Bottom of funnel is for people that have seen your brand, have seen your ads. They know who you are. They just need that little push to buy, right? So I kind of just scroll this and download whatever applies to me, and then I give it to Claude, have Claude do the copywriting for it and the prompt. Then I give it to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT makes it for me. I started using ChatGPT for my image ads now. I'm gonna just be using Higgsfield for video ads because Higgsfield is not that good with image ads, unless I'm using the wrong AI in Higgsfield. But so I'm essentially just gonna go through this. I'll probably fast forward this. Some bottom of funnel type ads. I chose these for many reasons. Number one, I wanted to look for supplement ads, supplement brands, because that's what I run right now. So the reason why I chose this one was because it's very simple, because I already informed them on the top of funnel of why they need to fix the problem. And then the middle of funnel is why we're better than other brands. And then the bottom of funnel will be, you've seen us, you just haven't bought yet. Here's a little discount. Take it. So this gets the point across super easily. And I really like this that they put use code mother because it was Mother's Day yesterday, I think. And right here it's very simple to the point, how much they get off, and the purpose of the sale, right? That way it's congruent, people understand why, and also urgency. They're not being pushy on the urgency, which makes it even better. It looks more organic. And the reason why it shows urgency is because Mother's Day is one day, so they're gonna see that and, oh snap, I gotta get this because it's Mother's Day sale. Number two, this one, because I want to make something like this for my brand, because I can use this to get the price simpler in their head, right? So let's say, for example, you're selling a product that's $30, right? And it's a 30-day supply. Instead of saying, hey, this is for $30, you can do something like this. Oh, the way I see it, you can do something like this. You can do, instead of 0% APR for 12 months, you can do $1 every day, $1 per day use, something like that, right? Make it similar in their head. They'll be like, oh yeah, that is pretty cheap. I might as well get it. And it shows the brand. The brand is pretty good. This one, it is kind of more complicated, but the reason I like it, honestly, this one is because of this badge. I really like this badge, so I want to train my AI to make stuff like this. Kind of same thing with the other ones. You know, it looks nice. Not much to say here. You know, they are running a really big offer. You know, 70% off plus free shipping. And it also gives a rundown of what they do. You know, boost immune system, reduce joint pain and soreness. And then this one, Mother's Day sale, again, same thing. But I really like this one because it's not just the sale. They kind of inform you again of why you should get it. Soothes gut lining, calms inflammation, feeds good gut bacteria, reduce bloating, supports regularity, improves absorption, whatever that means. Actually, I don't know. I do know what it means. And okay, that's their offer right there at the bottom. One thing I would do is I would put this more around here, so that, because I didn't even notice this. I didn't even read this until now, which is not a good sign. Nonetheless, they are a big brand, so they're doing something right. But it's just something I would do. This one, simply because it's straight to the point. No product needed. You can make several variants of these. 6% off first order. Get a bunch of subscriptions, right? This one, because I am running a BOGO brand, so I figured it applies to me. Very simple. Buy one, get one free offer. The price. Again, buy one, get one free. Protein for chocoholics. That's pretty funny. That's cool. I like that. And yeah. So essentially what I would do is I would give it to my Claude AI, and I would tell it to study it and to understand why they work. And then after that, I would, it already has information on my brand, so I would just have it make me prompts to give to ChatGPT. I would tell it make me prompts for each of these, but for our brand, our product, so I can give it to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can make it. Make sure you are not leaving any details out, because I'm not taking it to Canva. Those are like things that you need to include in your prompt, because I see a lot of people online not going into detail on their prompts, and that's what you need to do. Make sure you mention everything that you are going to do, because if you don't, your AI, it's just, you're not going to be getting enough context. So, you tell it, study these. Now make prompts for me to give to ChatGPT. Keep in mind that I'm not giving it a Canva, so it has to make it perfectly. And I'm not going to be doing any editing on it. And also to make it in 4:5 aspect ratio, all of them, or whatever you want to do. And also have it in the language that I'm selling to, and have it for the angle so and so that we're advertising, and also, sorry, my dog was doing something weird. And also make me some prompts yourself that you think can convert well based on these ones that I gave you. What else? I had a brain fart. There was something else I was going to say. Oh, yeah. And also in the prompt, everything I'm saying right now is what I would type into Claude. I would say, and in each prompt, include include if ChatGPT needs to use a product photo or not, because so that I would not have to consistently add and remove my product reference image. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I helped. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.